Hi! Today I will show you how to make YouTube Shorts using PC. First, we need to install an application called Clipchamp. You can install it for free on the Microsoft Store. As you can see, it has low ratings, but, to be honest, find it useful. This is what the Clipchamp interface looks like. Now, click the Create a New Video button. You will be routed to its video editing page. You can add your videos by clicking the Import Media button or dragging the video files in your File Explorer. Now, drag it into the Video Editing tab. Once the video is added, you can easily change the canvas by clicking the Video Size button on the right side of your editing screen. Change the canvas from 16:9 to 9:16, and there you go. You already have a YouTube short canvas. If you want to fill the whole canvas, click the video and press Fill. You can also mute the video if you are going to use a sound effect, and you can also resize the video. You can add an additional clip if you wanted to. If you want to add some narrator and you don't have a mic, you can try this method. First, open your OneNote application, then type what you want to say. Under the View tab, click the Immersive Reading button. You can use a male or female voice, and you can also change the voice speed. Now, how do we extract the voice clip in OneNote? Some video creators use the voice recorder app, but since my microphone is not that good, even I changed the settings, I came up with an idea. I record the voice clip using my OBS Studio application. Now, I can easily add the recorded clip in the Add Audio tab. Now it's up to you how you edit your videos and shorts. I will do some Photoshop tutorial next. Subscribe for more.